Happy hump day, guys. It's Wednesday. Sorry, no, it's really not Wednesday, it's Thursday. But this is my favorite day of the week because I get lunch on the company. So I just thought I'd show you what I ordered today, if the camera will focus. Show prop you guys. Does that work? Can you see me? A little bit. Okay. In fact, let me put you over here. So I ordered from Deliveroo, and I just saw today that Miller and Carter Steakhouse. There is no way you'll be able to see that. Anyway, Miller and Carter Steakhouse are on Deliveroo. Now, for my US viewers, Miller and Carter do like a really good like steak. Well, I say it's really good. It's affordable. So they're good, quite good for like hearty, like comfort food. But I didn't get the steak. I got the buttermilk chicken, tender stem broccoli, some sort of sauce, and dauphinoise potatoes and gravy. So it's kind of like a roast dinner, but in compact form. Now, I don't know what this is going to do for my calorie count today, but I don't care because this looks amazing. So yeah, I've got a work call in about 10 minutes, so I can't get to that just yet. And I'm mid-uploading two videos for today, and then I can go on my walk, and then I can be done for the day. And that's the busiest part of my week finished, so I'm very thankful. But yeah, just thought I'd jump on, give you a bit of an update. I painted my nails the other day. They're not very good because I only did one coat of paint, so I'm just trying to limit the amount of polish that I have on my nails while we're in lockdown, and I don't need to be dolled up. And yeah, clearly I need to get a new foundation because this is not, it's very ashy. It's not my skin tone anymore. Much as it kind of matches my chest, doesn't match my face so well. So I need to stop using the existing shade of my foundation because I've definitely caught some colour, which I love to see. And yeah, I just wore this like simple black dress because I just like to wear black or white in videos, or like a really jazzy top if it's like a fashion video, just to keep things calm and neutral. But anyway, let me get back to work and eat, and then yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thought I'd show you guys how my flowers are holding up. Some of the roses have like opened up a little bit, but we're doing good. So I finished my work calls for the day, and my second video is just exporting now. Let me show you. So I edit in iMovie. I don't know if you guys are aware. It's very simple and basic what I do, nothing high-tech at all. But now that this video, turn my work laptop away, is nearly exported, I will be uploading it. And just to be ready, I prepared my thumbnails in PicMonkey, which is what I use to kind of like edit all of my, or create all my thumbnails. So that's the video that went up just before this one. This is for this video. And as you can see, it has successfully exported. So I can upload that onto YouTube now. So let me come out of that one. So I'm just going to leave these in here as drafts, and then to upload, you just go to create, upload videos. This is in YouTube Studio. And then here I select the file, which should be here. Choose that'll upload nicely, and then I always just copy the title into the description box. I'll give it a description, add the thumbnail, where was it, there we go, and then like start tagging it and stuff. So yeah, my food is ready, so more important things to get to, like eating, and I want to do like a first taste with you guys. just so you can get a vibe. Deliveroo don't even sponsor me, so I don't know why I'm promoting them. And also, it was a bit of palaver to get this because the first delivery driver called me mid-filming, and then he was like, oh, let me take this up a bit. He was like, oh, I can't find the place. So I'd spent like 15 minutes on the phone giving him directions for him to then not show up and mark the food as delivered. So hopefully they chase that up. I've had that happen to me twice with Deliveroo. I feel like their drivers are very not good at following directions. And also, in their defense, this is a new block, so it's kind of hard to... Oh, fucking hell, there's a fly. It's hard to find it sometimes, but like follow directions. Like I spent 15 minutes to help you get here, and then you mark it as delivered, and I don't have it. So they steal food sometimes, those guys. So yeah, but I spoke to their customer support, and the lady on the phone just ordered another one for me for free. So yeah, Miller and Carter. I don't think it's available worldwide. I think this is just a UK thing, but it's kind of like a, if you guys have ever been to like a gaucho, it's just like a cheaper version. So this, whatever this is really good. I'm gonna have a bit of the chicken, a bit of the potatoes. I know I'm gonna edit this and watch this back and be screaming because I want it again. So I'm not gonna eat it all on camera with you guys. I just wanted to do first bite taste test because I normally eat this in restaurant. So good. I've got to go. I've got to finish this. Bye. Good morning, everybody, and happy Saturday. It's 11 AM. I'm running slightly behind, but I gave myself extra time so that I would be able to do this properly. But today we had a very special delivery. I know I said, oh, let me take you up. I said in the last vlog that I would be profiling more black-owned businesses. And I'm going to do just that. Starting with the first one, which is a hair extensions wig line by the name of Arc Beauty. So Arc Beauty is actually owned by my brother's girlfriend, so you know you gotta keep it in the fam. She very kindly sourced and like prepared this new wig for me. So I'm just going to try it on. It basically kind of, she like plucked it for me, she bleached the knots, like she did everything. And so all I'm going to do is cut off the lace and sew in a band as well, just to like tighten it on my small PP head. And she also thrown a really cute Vaseline. I don't know if she'll do that for everybody, but you know. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing that today. Trying to find my elastic here. Not that you can see it. Just looks like that. I need to find my needle. Oh, here we go. Okay, so today I'm going to going shopping. Well, I'm going for lunch with my friend, but I'm also going shopping. Why are you focusing over there? And so I also need to go to the post office and just do some other things. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I make this kind of like glueless pretty much, and then how I style it. So it comes like with a really nice, so obviously the lace is in like that, and then, and most wigs that I buy, they just have that. So it's very versatile because the lace kind of goes all the way back. But it's also got this little cap here to kind of keep your hair nice and secure underneath, and then she included a wig cap for me as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop all of this elastic. No, I'm just going to measure off some elastic that fits like nice and tight around the back of my head. So I normally just go like that from ear to ear, so it cups like my head quite nicely. Measure, cuts off about there, and then I'm just going to cut this off and sew it into the wig. So yeah, I won't show you that because you don't want to see that. We are back. She is straightened. She is, you know, bumped the ends a little bit as well, and I love it. Just give you a close up there. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, I just worked with her a little bit, but yeah, I didn't have to do much customization at all apart from adding in the band and just putting my bronzer color on the inside of the lace. But I'm very, very pleased with the unit. Sorry, I'm just playing with it a bit just to get the layers showing because we've got layers. So yeah, I'm gonna head out to my little shopping trip and lunch date with my friend Suki, and I will see you guys later. I'll probably vlog on my phone or maybe like Insta vlog, so make sure you're following me. Okay guys, this is my last black-owned brand plug of the day. So this t-shirt is from my brother's clothing line, Apollo Noir. Hopefully you can see the logo there on the back. I think this is called the Cherub design, but he has this in like a large, which kind of worked a little bit better, I think. I've actually worn it the other way round. This is supposed to be on the back, but I actually prefer it with the design on the front. So yeah, I will link this one down below. You can probably buy it on the website. I think it's actually, no, I think this one was limited edition, but he's bringing it back. But I'll link his site below just so you guys can check out some of his other stuff. Good afternoon, guys, and happy Sunday. Oh, tired eyes. I got up really early today. I got up at 9 and edited today's video, and I put some laundry in. I took my bed sheets off. I went to central London, did some returns. I got food. These are the highlights of my day. I picked up a falafel wrap for lunch, and then for dinner I got this crunchy salmon roll from Sushi Mania. Just, I think it's off Tottenham Court Road in central London, and they had 50% off, so it was originally £9, but I got it for £5, which is amazing. So I've had half of it. It's supposed to be for my dinner, but you know, you live. And now I'm just putting my laundry away, and then I have to go and do like about 9k steps. So yeah, and then I have to pick up my t-shirt that I purchased from my brother's clothing line, Apollo Noir, because I left it there yesterday and I kind of left in a bit of a rush. So yeah, once I do that, I can then like actually chill. I put some more laundry in, my makeup brushes and my beauty blender are in there as well. So I've got fresh sheets. I'm gonna have fresh makeup brushes for a fresh week. Fresh. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I thought I would just keep it going and give you guys a look into my weekend. In other news, I have lost a kilo, which is amazing, since I started the step challenge. But I've also been pairing it with taking in less calories. So yeah, the two are working very well hand in hand. So that's good. I think I'll do like a 2-week update. When I hit day 14, I'll do like an update. If you want to see my update, head over to my Instagram and check out my 30 days of fitness highlight, which gives you like my progress throughout the step challenge and my vitals before that. Hello guys, I just wanted to pop in here with a quick update on some of the brands that I just featured, especially now that I've got my t-shirt. So it's a bit creased, so ignore that. This is the Cherub tee from my brother's brand, Apollo Noir. So that's like the back of it, but I actually wear the back on the front. So that's the actual front, but what I like to do is basically turn it around, and then I like tie this into like a nice knot, so I wear it like quite cropped. So that's that. The other brand, which I featured in a vlog before, but I just wanted to do a quick reminder of, is this brand called Suki. So they are a hair care line. So I've got the Suki hair cream and the hair oil as well. And those two are really, really loving in my hair. My boyfriend's been really loving them in his beard as well. So if they get the beard sign off, that means they are good. Then obviously we've got, then we have a new addition. So this is a luxury candle brand called Kin Tribe. So I was just introduced to them this weekend, just gone actually. So they are all handmade, and the lady that makes them is lovely. This is gorgeous. I don't know what scent this is, but if I can find them, I will link, well, I'll link their Instagram so that you can go check them out. So I've got that one, and then I've also got this one as well. So yeah, head over to kintribe.co, I think, on Instagram. I'll link them below as well, so you can check them out. And obviously